Hey, welcome back. In this video, we will see how we can write documentation for our Python functions. To write documentation in the Python functions, we use the Python docstrings, the documentation strings. Okay, so Python docstrings are string literals written directly below a function definition to explain what the function does. Okay, so all of the inbuilt function have that. So in case if you are wondering, so we can do something like print, and here if I just hover over this print function, as you can see here, we are getting all of this here, right? This is the documentation. So how we can see that inside of our print statement? Basically we can do something like this. So all of the functions which we have, so we can do print once again. Inside of the print we are doing print dot, and then as you can see there are many of the methods here which starts with double underscores and end with double underscore. So one of the function is the doc function, so underscore underscore doc underscore underscore. So if I just do that, run the program, as you can see here, we are getting prints the values to a string or sys.std out by default. Okay, and there are many of the things here. So in case if you are using VS Code, you do not have to print out everything something like that. You can just hover over to that function, and here we will have the documentation for the function here. Okay, now let's see how we can create documentation for our own function. Okay, so I will just comment out this one. So def add, it will take a and b colon, and here we can do return a plus b. Okay, now here we can write some simple things. So we have to open up the triple double quotes. Okay, and here we can write return the sum of two numbers. Okay, all right. So first of all, if I just get rid of this one, I will just cut it out and save that. And if I just hover over to this function, as you can see, there is nothing. Okay, there is nothing inside of the VS Code. We are getting add, div, and so on. But now if I just paste out that one which I just cut out, now if I just hover over to the function, it is saying return the sum of two numbers. Okay, so this is how the docstrings work. And in case if you want to see that in action, so we can just print, and then after that we have to add the name of the function. So in our case, add dot double underscore doc double underscore. Okay, run the program, we are getting the same result, return the sum of two numbers. Okay, so this is how we can write the documentation by using the docstring. Okay, all right, so this is something which we can do. Also we can do many of the fancy things as well. Okay, so here I will just copy paste some of the code. Okay, so if I just copy paste this one, so let's add a function def divide, and here we are getting a and b. Okay, and here I will just return a divided by b, something like that. Once again we are not getting anything, but right now I will just do something like this. Okay, here. Okay, all right, I have just pasted out many of the things here, and I will just paste out one of the other conditions here as well. Okay, so currently right now do not worry about the code. Okay, so this is something which we will see in action. So as you can see, we can write something like this, so which is very readable. So arguments, right? So first of all, what exactly this function does: divide two numbers safely. Arguments: a is the integer, b is another integer, returns a float, and raises a value error if b equals to 0. And if I just hover over to the divide function, as you can see, we are getting something like that. Okay, so this is something to keep in mind, how we can write our docstrings. And you don't have to write docstrings for each and every function, but whenever you are writing some sort of a complex function, I will highly recommend you to add the docstrings. Okay, and let's see another style of docstring here. Okay, so def divide. Here we will be getting a and b colon, and then we will just return a divided by b. Okay, and here we can do something like this. Okay, all right, so what we have to do something like this. Okay, all right, and okay, awesome. So as you can see here, we are having this divide function here. Okay, it divides two numbers safely, and here the first parameter is a, the second parameter is b, returns a float. And now if I hover over to this one, as you can see here inside of the VS Code, this docstrings are quite beautifully formatted. Here we are getting some headings like parameters, we are getting some headings for returns as well. How we are doing that? We are doing that by something like this. So parameters, and then we have to add these hyphens basically, and the same things here. Okay, so you can search for the docstring formatting inside of Google and you will get many of the results. And also currently right now we are having the AI as well, so you can use the AI to write the docstrings as well for your function. Okay, awesome. So this is how we can document our functions in Python.